Hello everyone, I received this Dominoes and rack set today. They sent it to me to see what I thought of it. I just wanted to show you the box it came in and then unwrap it and see what it looks like and maybe learn how to play a game. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I got all the Dominoes out of the package and just kind of displayed exactly what came in the box. We have these little racks here that you're able to display your Dominoes. Come with 4 of them. There's 2 games in this set. One is the double 12 dominoes and Mexican train dominoes. So I wanted to first go through what's on the table and then show how to play each game. The dominoes itself, they're pretty high quality. They are pretty solid. Again, the racks are cool. Okay, this right here is actually for the Mexican train domino game. You got a score sheet. You also have the instruction manual. Now let's go ahead and go through how to play each game. For me, seems the easiest one, which is double 12 dominoes. We're going to show how to play that one first. So I would put each player would go ahead and get 7 dominoes. Now the extra would go to the boneyard. That means if you can't play, you're going to pick a domino from the boneyard. Now let's display your bones. So after you go ahead and put your dominoes in your racks, the player with the highest double goes first. So from what it looks like, it's going to be this one. And then what each player is going to do is take turns putting down a domino. You're going to want to match up that domino. This person can't go, so they're going to pick from the boneyard. Then it goes to the next player. And then you just keep extending to each domino. So let's just say this player won. This player lost, and you're going to tally up the points. So we got 11, 5, 16 plus 8. That's 24 points. And the person with the least amount of dominoes is the winner of that round and receives the points from the remainder of the players. And the first person who reaches 100 points wins the game. So that is double 12 dominoes. Let me go ahead and set up for the Mexican train dominoes and show you how to play that one. Okay, so again, we're going to do it 2 players just to show how simple it is. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a double domino in the beginning of the middle of the train. And then the person that has their setup for their train will try to match what's in there. And then that is going to be their personal train, and you just keep extending on each side. However, what happens if you cannot go on that one? Again, boneyard. If you have nothing that can continue that train, you're going to pick from the boneyard and you're going to try to extend that. Now, if for some reason you cannot go at all, you are going to put a train on your extension, and then that means it is now public and other people can extend on there. Now remember, the object of this game also is to get rid of as many dominoes as you can. And then again, collect the points at the very end on the other players. There was also one other thing to point out on this Mexican train is doubles. Whenever a double is played, someone has to keep extending on that one before you can continue the game. So again, it's a little like the double 12 dominoes, but you have your own set of train area. You're the only one that can extend off your set unless there's a train put on there and then it's public. That means somebody can also extend to that train. Again, at the very end, it is about getting rid of your dominoes and getting the points. I really hope this review is helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.